Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
With a new electric boat and more, the product line at GoSun continues to grow. The roots of the company are in solar ovens that cook using the power of the sun, heating vacuum tube cooking vessels. They work amazingly well, and now the company is making more of those ovens more versatile, adding the ability to cook with 12-volt electricity when there is no sun, indoors, in tents, in cars, you name it. Founder and CEO Patrick Sherwin.
So now you're only using 1/10 of the electricity when cooking a meal on 12 volt. So we can have a 350-degree oven in the GoSun Sport with just about 7 amps or 80 watts of electricity.
You can learn more about the variety available at GoSun.co.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.